Let's go. Are we up? Oh my gosh. There's a lot more to manage here. I gotta change the thumbnail. How's that? Now I gotta make a frickin' thumbnail up in here. Alright. We'll get back to it here. Let's go in here. I'll save this. I need something to put a thumbnail on. We'll use this. Do this and then I don't like the look of that. I'll just do this. Bop. Crop, resize. Okay. Blur it out a little bit. We'll add a little text. There we go. The video's private. Okay. Hold on. Oh, you can't even see what I'm... Oh, the delay is crazy on this. All right. Visibility. Public. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, folks are up in here now. Sweet. Bear with me right now. Sorry, I'm still trying to figure this out. I don't know what I'm doing here. What's up, everybody? What's up, Z? What's up, Goth? Alright, how's that? That should be good, right? Oh, okay, there we go. My stuff was all messed up, dude. I don't know. I don't even know what's going on anymore. All right. You been stuck on a problem? What's the problem? No, I don't. I don't like it. Not a fan at all. Actually, really dislike it. Who's calling me? Yo, what's your problem that you've been working on? I'll have to do the same where I'll do this, and this will be lighting. Or no, I'll do yeah, because we set this to forest, and then we set this to empty, I guess. I don't know. Relates to the GUI. My objective is to have a frame move within a confined space. The frame moves with relative to where the mouse is. Is that it? It's like you got like a frame, right? And then you got like another one inside of it. And you want to like move it around inside the frame, and it doesn't go outside, or what? Yeah, you don't want it to go outside the frame? Is that what you don't want? Yeah, so what I would do is I would just say like, I would use like, I guess the 0, 0 is the anchor point. It's a custom image. Well, I mean, how is it like this? What size is the frame? Like if it's like this, like no matter what, like even if your image is inside of this, even if you have some like image inside of this frame, right? What I'm about to explain would still apply. So like you use this, here you put this in there, there we go. All right, so you use this outside frame, right? And your image can be in here. This could even be the image frame. But basically when you click and drag, I don't know, maybe it's like centered around your mouse. It is? What's up with it? Huh. So essentially, basically what you want to do is you want to calculate like, let's say I'm like even here in this example, like in the studio dragger here, it's flickering. Huh. I don't know. I've never seen that in the video. Interesting. What's up, Speed 750? Really? Like turn off or what? Or like lighting or? Because. Okay. Thanks, Hex. What's up, Jordan? What's up, Zip? So basically, sorry, let me finish explaining this. You know, like the corners of your box, because you know like where it is based off the absolute position, which is this top left corner. And you know like these corners because this is the absolute position plus the X position is this like top right corner here. So when you drag around, what you just got to do is you got to say if, like when I'm dragging this, if my right corner is on, you can, and then you can do the same for the container that it's in. You can say, okay, here's the absolute position of the container, and then here's like the top right, or like we can find out like where this right edge is and where this top edge is, and we can say, okay, so if I'm dragging it, and if like this right edge is beyond it, then we should set like this left corner to whatever this right edge is minus like the length of this black box. Does that make sense? So like I guess I can put it in like a little, so like if you have like yeah, okay, sweet, cool. Does that solve your problem? Like, would you know how to implement that? Oh, that's interesting. It's doing like a light level flicker. I don't know why it's doing that. That might be my OBS, to be honest. But I don't see it. Like, I don't see that on my end. In fact, that might be like the YouTube encoder, maybe. Like, maybe my stuff's messed up. I don't know. That's really weird though, because I'm not seeing that on my end. I'm just seeing like a normal camera. If you have a screenshot of that, can you send me the timestamp for that, like where that is in the stream, and then I'll check it out later in the VOD. Okay, right now what I want to do is I want to add, like, right now I'm in here, and when I go outside, my character should set the zone to forest. Actually, I don't really need to. I'll just use a remote event. Oh, set. And then here we can just say around 14 minutes. Okay, thanks, Hex. Not exactly. My friend suggested using gradients as well. My issue stems from image labels having a square border by default. If that makes sense, I sent an image as an example on script help. Wait, so wait, I still don't understand. What about it? Like, you're trying to know when... Can you just send like a picture of your thing to script help, and I'll take a look. This is something different, Electro. I could work on Z1 if you guys want. What's up, Graham? Yes, this is my own module. Well, this is just for loading like module scripts. Like, it just... There's not much more to it, like, than loading. I have, like, getters in here, but I don't even do that. I manually require modules for autocomplete. But within, I made a network module. And I'm actually kind of a fan of it. I was against them at first, but now I'm for them. Yeah, I am on the wave, Quaza. Did I figure out the jumping? No. Well, I have an idea, actually, but I haven't fully figured it out. I can show you guys in a minute. I just want to finish. Let me just add this, and then we'll switch over. If it's on the client, we can just say state then this. Yeah, I like that. And then we click leave and it goes away. Nice. Sweet. Just gets rid of that haze. I guess, wait. I guess I could just enable it. I don't even need to. Right? Oh, no, I can't. Poop. What are these networking solutions? Do you not create remote instances now? Yeah, so I actually... before, yeah, I was using instances, but now I actually just switched over to a module. Especially when I'm making prototypes and stuff, I think it's really useful. It's quicker. So I was against it, but I just wrote it like in my own way that I understand, and so now I like it. I just didn't like the way the other ones worked. I don't know. Because like I do a lot of stuff just on my own, so if I'm going to use something, it's something that like I want to use and something that works with the workflow that I use. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh wait, the gun's broken. Same as the jump right now. One sec. Yo, I'm back. All right, sweet. I got something in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna disappear in 5. I'll probably keep it running. Just if you guys want to AFK, you can give me ad revenue. How's that sound? I can switch back after. But I do want to look at this for a minute. I just want to make sure that this... this should work now. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so I have that. I have some impacts, some sparks over here. Yeah, the hotbar has a little animations. What I was working on last was trying to switch between like guns and equipping and unequipping, but I never got that far because I was also working on the jump too. But I realized that are they my model? Actually, no, they're not. I just ripped them straight out of the game. At least this one I did for the AR. This one's out of the toolbox. This is from the game. This is just a part. The helmet's from the game. I actually remodeled the helmet. I redid the like topography on the helmet because it was pretty messed up. But also let me learn about like UVs and stuff. But the problem is like when you're far away, there's kind of this little seam you can see. But otherwise, yeah. All right, here. Yeah, I'll save the changes. Okay. All right, I gotta go. I'm actually gonna just... I'm gonna turn this off for now. I'll be back later. But I got something I gotta go to. I totally forgot about. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I'll be back in like an hour. I'll be back on in like an hour. So, I'll just, I don't know if I'll put out another ping. I should make a React roll for that. I'll make a React roll for that before I go.